So he's just coughed up a load more of these. I'm not even sure they're the leeches. They look different, don't they? I think he agreed with me. So yeah, if you look at, you can see I'm moving. That one there especially. There's one here. And yeah, he keeps coughing them up. Do you imagine all these leeches down your throat, sucking the blood? Can't be very healthy. Surprised he's not coughing. So these black spots, that all these are them, but they're just not moving. They're in a ball. I think when you put the more water on them, they start swimming. Let's put a bit of water on them, see what they do. Water makes them move. How odd. Parasites. You're alright now, aren't you, mate? So it's about 10 before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think a few flushed down, so there might have been 20 of these little leeches, if they're leeches. They do look similar to some of the leeches we've pulled off them before. That's it, you're going to be all clean, ready for going home, aren't you? Bless you. Yes, he wasn't this active when we first found him. Now the sun's coming up, we can hear the birds outside. So when it gets light, we'll pop him back and see how all the others are doing. Yeah, I don't think this is botulism, I think he was attacked. Is that alright? Right, let's get rid of these leech things. Oh, you agree? Yeah, let's get rid of them.